How am I supposed to use this clip to like clip it to my clothes when it doesn't, you know? How do I do that? Somebody needs to teach me. I'm gonna have to figure all this out. Okay, my name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're doing an unboxing. I bought a new, it's called an action camera. It's not a GoPro. I'm sorry. Listen, if you did not watch this video yet, I highly recommend it. I just spent $500 on a tent, okay? It weighs 2 pounds and it's awesome, but I cannot drop another $400 on a GoPro, okay? Because the last one that I owned, you know, it got full of sand and it didn't feel like I could buy another one. Anyways, today we're just doing the unboxing of this. You'll already see the footage. If there's footage, hopefully I'll be able to go into some slot canyons. You'll see some footage from this little camera when I go up to Utah already back in December. But I wanted to do the unboxing. You probably won't see this until 2023. I apologize. Okay, what's in the box? Action camera, waterproof case, remote control, battery charger. Wow, it comes with a lot of stuff. Battery, mount, helmet mount, clip 2, handlebar mount, zip tie. Okay. A strap, a USB cable, protective backdoor, quick start guide. Wow, holy cow. Capture the moment with one click, splash proof remote as well. All right. Listen, I'm not having high hopes, okay? I spent $56 on this thing. That's the reality, okay? I'm expecting it to last 3 seconds, I guess, in for hiking an action camera, you know, but we're gonna find out. Let's find out first what's in the box. I'm excited, okay? I've been wanting a new action camera and this looks great. So how on earth do I get this out of here? Okay. Oh look, there's directions for us idiots. That includes me, okay? So take out the silicone protector. Step 2, give the mount buckle a hard pull. Pull the mount buckle. Oh, okay. Holy cow. Then pull backward to disassemble the camera. Wow, it's neat. Look at this little buddy, huh? Well, this thing is, holy cow. How on earth? It's supposed to be not this tight. Jesus. Anyways, all right, we got the camera out. This is what it looks like. It's pretty. Akaso EK7000. It's got a power button right here, I assume. And, oh, to open, lift, and then pull. Try not to scratch the camera, but jeez. Oh, it does come out. Oh, this is so interesting. Look at this. Okay, so that's there. And that comes off like that. And you can see that. There's the little camera. Akaso 4K EK7000. The power button is right here in the front. And we just kind of rotate it this way. It looks like it's got an up and down arrow. I don't know what that is for. Back screen. It's just got the remote, it says. Action cam. And then some USB ports and a micro USB. And then on the top, this looks like the starter or something. So, okay, let's put it back in the waterproof case. I do like waterproof cases. You know what else about waterproof cases? They're dust proof as well, huh? Nice. Okay, and then it's got more peely stickers that you have to take off. Done. I got the peely sticker off. Check. And then we're gonna lock her back in. So we locked it back in. And there, she's in her waterproof case, and then I'm gonna peel off this sticker as well. That's for the wide angle camera lens. Holy cow, boy, this thing is nice. It looks pretty anyways. Beautiful. Okay, let's see what else comes in this little box. Okay, wow, this thing's full. Holy cow. All right, let's see. EK7000 action camera. Download the app. Of course they want you to do that. It says, just like what we were doing, we removed it from the waterproof case. Oh, it says to charge the batteries. Okay, gotcha. And then install a battery, install the micro SD card, and then power it on, and then you can use it for pictures or video. Activate your 24-month free warranty. 2-year warranty. Holy cow. Look at all this stuff in here. Holy cow, they really jammed it in. So it comes with this. Not too sure what this is. This is just going to be like a show and tell because I don't know what any of this is. These must be like the clips for the bicycle or like helmets. I'm not too sure. Here's another one. And it's got like, it looks like a side clip instead. Ah, here's a camera mount one. Now this is the one I think I'm going to be using here very shortly. Here's the cable that it comes with. I should just open all this stuff up. Holy cow. I can't believe it comes with all this. Dang. I thought it would just be like the GoPro. It comes with the camera and good luck, you know? Here's the USB cable. It's a mini USB. So like if you have a Samsung, an older Samsung device, I keep saying Samsung device. If you have a Kindle, you know, and then here's another clip. I have no idea what half of this stuff is. This looks like a side. So if you wanted to mount it on the side or kind of clip more than one of these together, I have no idea what all this does. This looks like another, oh, it's a regular clip. Oh, it's like a clip for a jacket. That's nice. Or for a hiking pack, huh? Won't that be nice? To clip onto my hiking pack and take it with me. I'm gonna do that. This one is for probably a helmet or like a different angle. See how it's kind of angled a little differently? It's interesting. It's got all types of stuff here. Here's a, oh, this is to get this off. Hey, there we go. How clever. Oh, we do it this way because I'm not an idiot, Jillian. Jesus. There we go. So this is a clip. It's for like to put on your jacket, right? So that you can clip it on there. But how the heck are you supposed to use it when this doesn't like slide in anywhere? I don't know how to do it. Here's zip ties and like a cleaner cloth and stickies. And I was just looking for other stuff to, oh, here's the battery thing. Here we go. I'm gonna need this. Here's the battery charger. Cool. Here's the one for like a camera. That's what I'm gonna use too. Awesome. Here's my little batteries. Wow, it comes with 2 batteries too. Look at how cute. So I'm gonna charge both of these. And these just snap into the little charging cradle, like so. Then there's some extra clips. I'm wondering if that's what you're supposed to clip it to. This is all very confusing. Here's a strap if you wanted to strap it somewhere, I guess. That's kind of nice, actually. It comes with a cinch strap. So you can strap it onto something. It's an action camera, you know? Strap it onto whatever you want to strap it onto. And here's various straps. Holy cow. So they include some more straps. And here's the remote too. Wow, this is super nice. Holy cow, for 50 bucks? I can't believe you get all this. This is crazy. Dang. And then it comes with this cute little splash-proof remote. And then you can do that for video and this one for camera. Wow, I am color me impressed. 50 bucks. Look at how adorable it is. It's so cute. And it comes with like all this stuff. I mean, this is crazy. The question is, how are you supposed to mount it onto your, how am I supposed to use this clip to like clip it to my clothes when it doesn't, you know, how do I do that? Somebody needs to teach me. I'm gonna have to figure all this out. Okay, yeah, that's about it, I think. Oh, hello, I almost forgot. Look, they give you an extra door too. Wow. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna first figure out how to clip it onto my pocket by using this, but I don't know how to do that exactly, or what's, none of these look like they fit either. Like this isn't screw in, this one clips weird. Like I don't even know. Found it. So it's this one, by the way. This slides into here. Like that. See how it clicked? And then you can pin it to like your wherever, but it's only, the clip only goes one way. So I have some nicer alligator clips. And the other thing is that this doesn't fit in the waterproof case. So you have to take it out of the waterproof case, and I think you just clip it in here, and that's not what I want to do. I don't want to break the camera. So I have a nicer alligator clip I'm going to use. anyways, that's all. But I just wanted to do the unboxing. Here we go. I'm going to be going to Utah in just a couple days, and I am excited to use this camera for Slot Canyon filming. Look at how beautiful. Wow. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it. Please interact with this video. Feel free to like it and subscribe. Please comment below as well. You know, if you haven't already commented, or, you know, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. You know, I have Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.